Matt, go ahead. YouTube. I've kicked it out of gear, so you might reel it in. But what the guy, I forgot his name, but the guy who helped invent these ships, because when I first saw him back in like 1992, I said, "What? That's a concrete ship?"
Yeah, how the concrete can float, right?
And so what they did was this guy who...
The rod is out.
Okay. This guy that come up with the invention, what this concrete is, because you can see the rebar in it, just like you do in a slab or a concrete wall. You have the metal rebar. You can see it. And but what they used for aggregate instead of sand, they used shell.
Oh.
So like clam shells and stuff like that, they ground those up and used that. Thus, it's lighter.
But then
Thus,
it's also
more
stronger.
buoyant.
And it's also stronger.